Now let us discuss another problem here. Solve capital D square plus 6d d dash plus 5d dash square of z is equal to xy power 4. Okay. In order to solve this, we need to find the complementary function and a particular integral. First, let us find the complementary function. So this is the given equation. Okay. Now in order to write the auxiliary equation, okay, write the auxiliary equation. Take this f of d comma d dash, put d is equal to m and d dash is equal to 1 and equating to 0. That is f of m comma 1 is equal to 0. By taking that, we will get m square plus 6m plus 5 is equal to 0. Write in the factors m plus 1 into m plus 5 is equal to 0. The roots are minus 1 comma minus 5. Okay. Now the complementary function is f1 of y minus x plus f2 of y minus 5x. Now the particular integral formula 1 by f of d comma d dash into the function. Okay. What is the f of d comma d dash? D square plus 6 d dash plus 5 d dash square. Okay. Now we can see this here. Okay. So in this problem here you can see what is m1 n 4. Here m less than n. Okay. Here m less than n, that is 1 less than 4. So write f of d comma d dash as a function of, okay, as a function of d by d dash. Okay. Since m less than n, okay, since m less than n, write f of d comma d dash as a function of d by d dash. Okay. So for that, what we have to do here, first we need to take the d dash square common. Okay. D dash square common from this. Okay. So that for 5d dash square we will take the common. Okay. 5d dash square will take the common. So in that case here will take 1 plus 6 by 5 d by d dash plus d square by 5d dash square. Okay. By taking the 5d dash square common here, you will get this like 1 plus 6 by 5 d by d dash plus d square by 5d dash square into x y power 4. Now you can see here 1 by, okay, take it to the take this one to the numerator. 1 plus 6 by 5 d by d dash plus d square by 5d dash square whole power minus 1. So same here 1 plus x whole power minus 1. This is the expansion we use. 1 plus x whole power minus 1. 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus so on. Okay. So now taking this expansion 1 plus x, this whole thing is x. 1 plus x whole power minus 1. So by 1 minus, only take the first term. Since here what is the here? Whenever you have in the numerator d, okay, compare here the what is the degree of okay, what is the power of x and what is the power of d. Okay, we can neglect the higher powers. Okay, d power is 1, x power, what is the power of x? You have to take up to the terms where the degree of d is 1. The degree of d and the degree of x must be same. The power of x or the power of d must be same. And we can neglect the higher terms. So you can see the d squared. The power of x is 1 and this is greater than that. Okay. Because the d square of x is what? 0. And next in the remaining terms also you will get the d cube, d power 4 like that. Higher powers. So they can be neglected. Okay. Power. Whenever in the numerator we have the d and you have to compare with the power of x. Okay. So now take the only this first term. So 1 by 5 d dash square into 1 minus 6 by 5 d by d dash into x y power 4. Okay. Now you can see this 1 by 5 d dash square multiply, take that function inside, x y power 4 minus 6 by 5 d dash operate the d on the function. D, capital D is nothing but dou by dou x. Okay, dou by dou x means we have to differentiate this x only. Okay, where y is constant. Dou by dou x. Okay, dou by dou x of x is 1. Okay, so 1 by 5 d dash square into x y power 4 minus 6 by 5, 1 by d dash y power 4. Okay, so now take this d dash square inside. So 1 by 5, 1 by d dash square into x y power 4 minus 6 by 5, 1 by d dash cube. When you multiply this one with this, 1 by d dash cube into y power 4. Okay, now 1 by d dash square is nothing but integration of the function with respect to y now. Okay, integration of function with respect to y. So that means we have to integrate here. Okay, we have to integrate with respect to y. So when we, by integrating this, what we are getting here, okay, so you can see here y power 6 by 30, and here we have to integrate thrice since it is 1 by d dash cube and here 1 by d dash square. Okay, 1 by d dash square means integrating twice and 1 by d dash cube integrating thrice. So there you will get x y power 6 by 30 minus 6 by 5 y power 7 by 210. By taking this you can cancel this 635s and you multiply 5 into 5 into 35 is 875. Okay, so now this is a particular integral x y power 6 by 150 minus y power 7 by 875. Therefore the complete solution is complementary function plus particular integral. You just assume the equations 1 and 2, take those two and combine them. So the complete solution is f1 of y minus x plus f2 of y minus 5x plus x y power 6 by 150 minus y power 7 by 875. Okay, and this is how we can solve the problem of the case 3, higher order partial differential equations. Okay, I hope you understand this. Yes, thank you.